Thank you so much. You know, we just heard from the previous speaker that 85% of companies are failing to get their AI use cases into production. Means there are a lot of people losing out there with AI. But you know who's not losing with AI? JP Morgan. JP Morgan is crushing it with AI. They have 900 data scientists. They have over 1,200 data engineers and 300 use cases in production. And they spend only $1 billion a year to make that happen. Why am I telling you all this? Because it's unlikely that many in this room have $1 billion a year to spend on big AI. Alex and I know all about big AI. We came from Synchrony Financial, where we built and led an AI division. We know all about the cost and complexity and consultants of building big AI. And we thought to ourselves, there has to be a better way. There has to be a better way to get data-driven decisioning in the hands of every single team. And that's why we launched SAVVI. If you heard from us last spring, you'll remember that SAVVI AI is an easy-to-use tool for any team looking to build, launch, and manage practical AI use cases for their business. Things such as lowering ACH return rates, forecasting delinquencies, and so much more. And all of this is without the need for specialists, without the need for core integrations, and without the need for this cost and complexity. But everybody in this room turned around and said, make it easier. And so we listened. So today we have a brand new product to debut for you. But first, a question. How many in this room use Excel as part of their day-to-day business? Hands up, come on, don't be shy. It's a safe space. We're among finance folks here. Many use Excel every single day, but what if you can take the spreadsheets that you use every day and supercharge them with machine learning-based predictions and decisions at your fingertips? SAVVI AI is proud to announce SAVVI Sheets, the first Excel native solution for getting intelligent decisioning, intelligent predictions right into the spreadsheets you use every day and using them as the building blocks of your AI program. Let me show you how. So today, instead of Alex the CTO, we have Alex the analyst. And this is what Alex the analyst looks at all day long. You might recognize it. It's an Excel spreadsheet, but specifically, it's a loan tape extract from a system. Alex's job day in and day out is to wade through these thousands of rows of data to try to figure out what are the patterns of problematic loans. This takes him hours to complete, and frankly, it's error-prone. Now let's try to do this the SAVVI way. Alex? With SAVVI AI, SAVVI just took tens of hours of work and compressed it into less than 10 seconds with intelligent modeling. Best of all, with a touch of a button, Alex can even run scenarios. So he can see what will happen to this loan if the interest rates go down, if the interest rates stay up, or if they enable autopay. Uh-oh, it looks like Alex has found a problematic loan on his books, so he wants to dig in to learn more. The SAVVI AI system tells him exactly what data points are driving these decisions. What are the factors that make this loan problematic? But Alex here, he's not satisfied. He wants to go a level deeper. So now, SAVVI has complete explainability and transparency. What does this mean? This means Alex can nerd out on the models. He can see how they work. He can see what data is driving these decisions, and he can even audit down to the individual decision level. This is truly giving him the flexibility, but also the control he needs at the enterprise level. And now, SAVVI is even giving him a complete model history report. This means that SAVVI AI is showing him how the models are evolving over time, how they're getting smarter, and he can even revert to a previous model. This explainability and transparency is ensuring that risk and compliance are all on the same page. Look, let me tell you something about AI. Enterprise AI is not a sexy Scarlett Johansson voice reading your grocery list to you late at night. Enterprise AI is explainability, transparency, and controls for practical use cases that drive your business forward. It's also data. This time, Alex used Excel, but SAVVI AI now contains over 100 data connectors, anything from Salesforce to Snowflake, ensuring that he has the connections to his existing data systems. And what's best of all is SAVVI feeds the data back into the system, meaning that he has a continuous learning loop, constantly evolving every single night and getting smarter faster. In this case, it appears Alex doesn't have any data, so he's stuck, right? No, not with SAVVI AI. SAVVI is the only system that can cold start AI. This means that with just a snippet of code, Alex can get started collecting the data he needs and having the models turn on automatically when enough data is ready for decisioning. Now, our entire system, because we came from a regulated bank, is wrapped in security. We are SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. We are regularly pen tested, and this is a single tenant architecture. But best of all, everything you build on SAVVI systems belongs to you. You're not enriching a vendor with your data, you're making your team smarter, and that's how you win. So now that Alex is this AI center of excellence, what else can he do with AI? Well, we have a complete template library with useful ways of quickly getting started, cross-selling, upselling, lowering ACH return rates, classifying suspicious activity reports, and so much more. Or Alex can start from scratch, in a matter of minutes, building his own prediction and decisioning use cases. So now, Alex can build his own, or he can download from a template. As I've shown you today, SAVVI AI is a complete tool that's made getting started even easier. We can empower the spreadsheets you have today with complete decisioning and prediction modeling. And all of this means upskilling your existing team and making them AI experts. And the results really speak for themselves. AeroPay lowered their ACH return rates by over 30% in a matter of months. And Cross River Bank, their data analysts built and launched over a dozen successful models in just 2 weeks. SAVVI AI is a practical tool, which is why we're trusted by dozens of fintechs and financial institutions. SAVVI AI is an easy way to get your team to win with AI, even if you're not JP Morgan. Thank you.